Okay, hello, my fellow travelers. I just wanted to give you a couple of more tips. I'm headed out on a 2-week cruise to Alaska. We are flying to LA first and going out of LA. So I just wanted to give you a couple of more tips that I use when I'm packing. First off, there's these. We went to the Dollar Tree, and these things, they are the little bath sponges. $1.25, and you get 4 of them. And then also I wanted to show you, this is a shower cap that you get mostly in hotels, but you can also buy them at the Dollar Tree or 99-cent store. But this particular one I got in a hotel room. So I'm going to show you 2 little tips that I use when I pack. Okay, so I've opened my bath sponges, and this is what I do with these. If anybody goes to claim their luggage in the baggage claim, a lot of suitcases look alike. People put all kinds of things on their suitcases to identify them. I even put my little tag on here, but you know what? So many times I've lost them, and then I have so many suitcases that sometimes I can't remember which one I brought. So I do use these, and I tie them on the handle, and it helps me easy identify them. Okay, there we go. I just hooked it on here, and it's on the handle. So then when I go to baggage claim, I'll be able to easily identify it. So with the shower cap, what we're going to do with that is we are going to put it around the shoes before I pack them. Okay, there we go. So I put the shower cap around my shoes, and then I'm just going to put them in my suitcase, and that way they keep everything all nice and clean. If you have big feet and big shoes, you may want to use 2 of them, 1 on each, but one fits on both of mine perfectly. So that's what I do. A couple of little tips and tricks. Inexpensive. Okay, follow me for more. And please, please, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Travelin' Trudy. Thank you. Have a good trip, everybody.